Can you make Venmo payments private? Well, the answer is yes. So let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to open up your Venmo, and after that, just simply click on the option of pay at the bottom. And after that, just search for that particular person who you are making the payment. And after that, type the amount that you want to pay and also select the reason for which you are sending this particular payment. Now click on the option of pay and it would ask you to select the payment method. Simply select the payment method, and right beside it you will also be able to see whether you want to make your payment private, public, or and just make visible to your friends. Select it appropriately, and since we want to make it private, simply select the option of private. And this way, when you click on the option of pay, the payments will be private between you and the person who has received the payments. And this is how you make your Venmo payments private. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.